So these are the instructions for the headlights, and some additional wiring, some jumpers and wiring. There's also some pretty cool stickers in the box. And then here are the LED headlights. And what I'll be putting them on is this. This is one of my two Willys Overland truck setups that I'm working on. You can see another one in the background. That one's getting a new bottom on the cab. All of the bottoms rusted out. So this one, however, is gonna have paint. This is not the paint that'll be on it, but today I'm just showing the headlights, and I'll show you as we swap those out. So, old headlight, new headlight. I don't have the cover on, but you get the idea. LED headlight, traditional headlight. So there you have it. One Willys Overland truck grill with LED headlights. Anxious once we get this rig wired to see how they work. I've got a similar set of headlights in my Jeep, and I really like how they work. They're simple, and turning light is on the ring.